everybody. This is Kevin Bailey with DB Services, and today I'm going to walk you through the add-on tables feature that's new to FileMaker 17. Basically what this feature does is it gives you a quick and easy way to build a portal that comes along with built-in relationships. It has a table that it gives you, complete with a bunch of fields that'll be really useful, and even adds a script in there to quickly add new records to the portal. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to be adding attachments to this screen here. Now, let's go ahead and add a tab. And I recommend when doing this to start over here off the layout at the top of the screen, and I'll show you why here in a second. If you go to Insert Portal and you go all the way down here to the new add-on table, click Attachments or whichever one you choose. Now, this is why I recommend doing it up here. You'll notice that it's kind of long and this button is detached. If we had started down here or something, we would have a hard time finding that button, and you might not even know that it even existed. I'm going to go ahead and just start out by dropping that down a little bit, making it a little shorter, and squeezing this together so that we can easily pull it over here. Now, when you go back to look at it, basically this allows you to add any attachments you want. Give it a description. This is an attachment. And there you have it. Then if you wanted to add another one, it gives you a chance right there. Just with the click of the button, this is another attachment. Added to this one. Anyway, and then you'll notice that it created this folder with this script, which does what this button does, adds the new attachment. It shows you here in the database, it's built this attachments table with all these fields that are just ready for you to use, and then it creates this table occurrence right here and links it to anywhere where it might be useful. In this case, it's on the product screen, so it just joins them right there. Now I showed you how you could insert it from up here, but you could also do the same thing if you just add a portal and go down to New Add-on Table. It all does the same thing. But anyway, it's a real quick and easy way to just get started understanding the way that relations work together, understanding how fields work in a portal, and it's just real easy to use. Thanks for watching, everybody.